Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The newly completed passenger terminal building of the Antique Airport has expanded from 181 to 2,224 square meters, increasing seating capacity from 64 to 360 and check-in counters from 2 to 6. A new ramp now allows the airport to accommodate up to 4 jet aircraft simultaneously. The control tower has been upgraded from 3 to 7 stories, improving visibility and flight safety. While modern baggage handling, flight information, and passenger systems enhance overall convenience, with the runway extension from 1,430 to 1,800 meters, Antique can now accommodate jet aircraft, significantly boosting connectivity and economic potential. We shall now witness the unveiling of the project marker of the Antique Airport. At the count of 3, Mr. President. 1, 2, 3. The completion and inauguration of this development marks a major milestone in the government's infrastructure program under the Build Better More initiative. It signifies a strengthened aviation network and improved regional connectivity, reflecting the government's commitment to inclusive progress, community empowerment, and nationwide development. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.
Sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na magtulong-tulong na paunlarin ang mahal nating bayan. Panahon na
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
panahon na
Maari na po tayong umupo.
dahil sa ito ay
Maayong aga sa tanan. Para opisyal na simula ng ating programa, inaanyayahan po natin si CAAP Director General, Retired Lieutenant General Raul L. Del Rosario para sa kanyang pambungad na talumpati.
His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Sir, at sa inyo pong lahat, kinalulugod po namin ang inyong pagdalo sa inaugurasyon na ito ng ating bagong paliparan, Emilio B. Javier Antique Airport. Mahal na Pangulo, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., isa po talagang malaking karangalan para sa amin ang inyong personal na presensya at ang pagbibigay halaga para pasinayaan ang bagong paliparang ito. Maraming salamat po. Nagbubugay at nagpapasalamat din po kami kay Senator Loren Legarda, ma'am, na sumuporta sa proyektong ito magmula pa nung umpisa. Ganon din po ang aming kalihim, Acting DOTR Secretary Banoy Lopez. Kasama rin po si DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon. Masugid po nilang tinaguyod ang maagarang maisakatuparan at matapos ang buong terminal at iba pang pasilidad kagaya ng control tower, pumping station, fire station, at higit sa lahat ito pong terminal na ito. Hindi rin po matatawaran ang contribution ng local government, ng provincial government sa pamumuno po ni Governor Paulo Javier, sir. Kasama ang mga mayors, mga barangay captain, at mga kawani ng gobyerno ng Antique. Sa inyo pong lahat na naririto ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Mas magiging makabuluhan ang inaugurasyon na ito dahil nandito kayo. Sa amin po, sa Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, pangangalagaan at gagamitin natin ang bagong pasilidad na ito para sa safety, sa kaligtasan at komportableng biyahe ng ating mga mananakay. Muli po, welcome po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Director General Del Rosario. Ngayon naman, inaanyayahan po natin si Antique Governor Paulo Everardo S. Javier upang magbigay ng kanyang mensahe.
His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., sa ating pong mga opisyales, sa atin po of course, ang nanay kang ating probinsya, Senator Loren Legarda, kimuman natin ang ating Congressman A. Legarda, and of course, sa ating host town na si Mayor PG Untaran, sa ating mga empleyado, sa ating mga bisita, magandang umaga po sa inyo tanan. Today marks an important milestone for our province as we inaugurate a facility that opens wider doors for Antique's future. This airport is more than infrastructure. It's a tribute also to the legacy of a man who inspired generations, Emilio B. Javier. When PGMA, our former president, officially named this as Emilio B. Javier Airport last February 11, 2002, she affirmed his enduring impact on Antique. This airport carries its name because it carries its vision, a province that is connected, progressive, and a full opportunity. The importance of this airport to the Antiqueños cannot be overstated. For economy, it invites new business opportunities, strengthens logistics, and allows our local products to reach larger markets. Investors now see Antique as accessible and ready for sustained growth. For tourism, this is a gateway to our mountains, rivers, heritage sites, and pristine beaches. It positions Antique as a true destination in Western Visayas, one that is easier to visit, enjoy, and to promote. And for our people, our professional students, OFWs, and families, this finally brings convenience. No more long drives to airport in neighboring provinces. This serves not only Antique, but also the rest of Panay, offering a nearer, more comfortable alternatives for travelers. We owe this achievement to many, and most especially to our Senator Lon Ligarda, of course to our Excellency President Bongbong Marcos, and Kong A. Ligarda, and all the agencies who have helped to build this Antique Airport. Dugi salamat, and this airport stands because of your cooperation and commitment. As we inaugurate these improved facilities, we look forward to the next steps. With a better runway, terminal, and services, we are confident that more airlines will consider flying to Antique. And when more airlines come, we can expect lower fares, more flights options, and greater mobility for our people and for our neighbors in Panay. Today, we celebrate not just a structure, but a beginning. A future where Antique is more connected, more competitive, and more ready to embrace growth and at the same time continue a legacy of Velo Javier's legacy. Durgi salamat and welcome to the new airport, Antique's gateway to a brighter tomorrow. Kruhay.
Maraming salamat, Governor Javier. At ngayon, inaanyayahan po natin si Senator Lauren B. Ligarda upang magbigay din ng kanyang mensahe.
Your Excellency, President Bongbong Marcos, thank you, sir, for coming to Antique once again. Hindi ko na mabilang ang dami ng beses ng pagpunta mo po dito at tuwing dumarating ka, nagbibigay ka ng tulong para sa mga magsasaka at mga mangingisda. Thank you once again to you and cabinet members who are here. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin. Sa akong makasimanwa, sa Antique, at sa lahat ng mga regional officers of the different national agencies, mayad nga aga, kaninyo tanan. I am grateful for the support of the national government because when we dreamt about this vision of having an airport here, kung napansin po nyo, yung unang building ay ayon kay Secretary Lopez, mukha daw Rural Health Center yung loob. Pero ngayon, talagang ganap na airport na. Siyempre, nung panahon naman na tinayo yon, decades ago, ay wala pa naman pondo. Nagsimula po ito ng vision ng 2014 or 15. Hindi ko na sana nababanggitin yung anecdote na isang senador sa Panay ay sinabi, pero pinaalala sa akin ni President BBM, ngayon lang. Sabi niya, ang kailangan nyo dyan, kambing, dahil puro talahib tayo noon. Na-challenge po ako na magpatayo ng airport dito. Dahil pag nandito tayo sa San Jose, ay 4 na oras sa Iloilo Airport at halos 6 na oras pag nakakotse pa sa Katiklan. Salamat po sa DOTR. Salamat po sa CAAP. Salamat sa DPWH. Salamat sa DBM. Salamat sa national government. I will quote what Secretary Lopez said. Ito ang nangyayari sa mga proyekto na at the lowest cost, the whole terminal only cost 126 million, perhaps the lowest in the Philippines. And that tower only cost 46 million. Sabi niya, meron na silang paghahambingan sa ibang mga regional centers. So, the Antique Airport will be a model for regional and national development. Right now, I think it's 1,800 na ang length ng ating airport at pwede na, parang katiklan na tayo. So, even if a senator would envision something, but if the national government, DBM, the agencies of government would not support, our vision will not happen. And this is what happens when we plod, when we work, when we cooperate and support. Amidst all the political noise, what is important are the development projects that we bring to local governments, where farmers and fisher folks and micro-enterprises and students and trade and tourism will ensue. This is an airport that will not only benefit Antique, but Iloilo and the other provinces in Panay as well. This is a gift, not from me, not just us, but collectively, all of those who have worked together for the betterment of a people in this beloved province where the mountains meet the sea. Once again, I am grateful to you, Mr. President, my former colleague in the Senate, my kababata, my dear friend, for coming once again to our dear province of Antique, for giving the much-needed support and boost for the province of Antique. Duro gid nga salamat. Palangga ko kamo.
Maraming salamat po, Senator Legarda. Sa puntong ito ay inaanyahan po natin ang lahat na ituon ang inyong atensyon sa screen para sa isang audio-visual presentation.
The Antique Airport has long served as the province's main gateway to the rest of the Philippines. Classified as a Principal Class II airport, it proudly welcomes every traveler to the land where the mountains meet the sea, where nature's beauty and people's hospitality come together. For years, it welcomed travelers through a small terminal that showed its humble beginnings. With a limited space and capacity, the airport once served only a handful of passengers at a time. Yet it stood resilient, connecting people to Antique. Now, the Antique Airport has met improvements fitting its status as a major transportation hub. The airport's newly constructed passenger terminal building now spans 2,224 square meters, increasing seating capacity from 64 to 360 in this new building. We have also tripled the number of check-in counters from 2 to 6. Modern systems for baggage handling, flight information, and passenger convenience have also been installed to enhance the overall travel experience. With its newly developed ramp, the airport can now handle up to 4 jet aircrafts at once, doubling its capacity. Meanwhile, the control tower has also been upgraded from 3 to 7 stories, providing a better vantage point for safer, more efficient flight operations. Led by the Department of Transportation and the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, with the unwavering support of the provincial and local government and steadfast championing of Senator Loren Legarda to improve the province's airport, these developments stand today as a symbol of progress and a source of pride for Antique. Supports the vision of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. for enhanced connectivity, comfort, and convenience for every Antiqueño. building better and more for the Filipinos and the traveling public.
At ngayon, inaanyayahan po natin si DOTR Acting Secretary Giovanni Z. Lopez upang ipakilala ang ating panauhing pandangal.
Mga kababayan, ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Maraming salamat sa ating Transportation Acting Secretary, Secretary Giovanni Lopez. Please take your seats. The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines Director General Raul Del Rosario, Senator Loren Legarda, of course, who has been the driving force behind this for over 10 years. So congratulations for your success. Antique Provincial Governor Paulo Javier, Antique Lone District Representative Antonio Legarda Jr., San Jose de Buenavista Municipal Mayor Paul Joseph Untaran, and the other municipal mayors who are here present, fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap ninyo sa akin dito sa Antique. Napakapalad po ninyo dito sa Antique dahil nabiyayaan kayo ng magandang tanawin at masarap na pagkain. Kaya naman po, hangarin ng ating administrasyon ang pagbubuti ng kalidad ng transportasyon sa inyong probinsya ng marami pang mga kababayan natin at mga turista ang makapagpunta rito. Batid natin ang pagod, hirap at abalang nararanasan araw-araw ng bawat biyahero, residente man o turista sa paglalakbay sa ating bansa. Madalas, nauubos ang oras, pera, minsan pati na yung pasensya bago makarating sa pupuntahan. Kaya naman, nagsisikap tayong maitaguyod ang isang bansa kung saan ang paglalakbay ay mas mabilis, maginhawa, at magampara sa bawat mamamayan. Upang maisulong ang pangarap na ito, isinagawa natin ang Antique Airport Development Project na magpapabilis sa pagtungo sa Antique at sa iba pang mga lugar sa Western Visayas. Patunay ito ng ating pagsisikap na makapaghatid ng serbisyong abot kamay, malinaw, praktikal at kapaki-pakinabang sa ating mga kababayan. Ngayong araw, binubuksan natin ang bagong passenger terminal building. Dito, mas maayos ang check-in, mas komportable ang pag-antay, at mas kumpleto ang mga inaalok na serbisyo para sa mga nagbabiyahe. Itinayo naman natin ang Air Traffic Control Tower, apron, taxiway, at administrative building upang maparami ang mabibigyan ng serbisyo ng paliparan. Sa tulong ng bagong fire station, powerhouse, matitiyak din natin na tuloy-tuloy ang mga operasyon lalo na sa oras ng pangangailangan. Inaasahan nating malaking ginhawa ang mga ito para sa ating mga biyahero, turista, manggagawa, negosyante o pamilya. Bahagi ang Antique Airport Development Project sa mas malawak na modernisasyon para sa buong Western Visayas. Sa Iloilo International Airport, kasalukuyan nating inaayos ang passenger terminal building. Pinapalitan ang 2 escalator at pinapaganda ang baggage handling system. Sisimulan na rin natin ang pag-aspalto ng runway upang maging mas ligtas ang buong paliparan. Sa Roxas Airport naman, sinimulan natin ang pag-aspalto ng runway noong Oktubre noong nakaraang taon. At uumpisa na rin natin ang konstruksyon ng control tower ngayong taon. Marami po kaming ginagawang proyekto para sa inyong rehiyon at sa ating bansa. Nawa po lahat ng ito ay magdulot ng pangmatagalan pakinabang sa taong bayan. Umaasa ako na pananatilihin ng DOTR at CAAP ang kalinisan, kaayusan at organisasyon ng mga pasilidad na ito. Meron pang isang napakahalagang bagay na ibinalong sa atin ng ating sekretary na tungkol sa naging cost, kung gaano kalaki ang ibinayad para dito sa terminal na ito. At ang sinabi sa akin, the total cost for all of the improvements and the construction was 120 million pesos. That is, nung sinabi sa akin, medyo nagulat ako. At sabi ko, napakamura. Yung tower pa lang, 42 million. 42 million lamang ang ginastos. Ito ay isang magandang halimbawa na kung tama ang pinaglalagyan ng pera ng tao, makikita natin napakarami na kaya natin gawin mas mabilis, mas mura at mas maganda. Gawin ninyo itong pamantayan para sa ating serbisyo sa mga residente at sa ating mga turista. Tiyakin natin na isasagawa ng maayos ang mga proyekto upang mas mabilis itong mapakinabangan ng ating mga mamamayan. Sama-sama, itaguyod natin ang isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan maginhawa ang pamumuhay, maunlad ang pamayanan at matatag ang ating bayan. Maraming salamat po. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Sa puntong ito ay inaanyayahan po natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo para sa photo opportunity. Inaanyayahan po natin sa stage ang mga opisyales ng DOTR at CAAP, mga personahe at piling government officials. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Maraming salamat po. Susunod ay inaanyayahan po natin ang ating mga local government officials mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lalawigan ng Antique. Again, at the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon, ay inaanyayahan po natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo para sa isang group photo downstage. At the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating programa. Nais po namin pasalamatan ang ating mahal na Pangulo sa pangunguna sa pagpapasinaya ng Antique Airport Development Projects. Durudurugit niya salamat halindiya sa Antique.